6 months into the coronavirus pandemic, Los Angeles County is partnering with a crime reporting app to provide mobile contact tracing, but the rollout of the app and others like it highlights the nation's slow, controversial and sometimes patchwork approach to replacing fallible human memories with cold, hard electronic facts. A potential digital solution seemed near in April when Google and Apple joined forces to allow the billions of users on their mobile operating systems to opt into sending and receiving Bluetooth pings from other nearby phones to create an anonymized trail that would significantly speed up alerts when someone in the chain later tested positive. However, their exposure notification system hit immediate roadblocks. It originally relied on others to create individual apps, under very strict guidelines that limited apps to one per state, and today, only 8 states and Guam have one. California does not have an app that uses the framework. Other apps such as Citizen SafePass, the new partner in LA County, have cropped up to fill the gap and collect data separate from the Google-Apple ecosystem. The for-profit Citizens partnership with the county immediately drew criticism from data protection advocates earlier this month, as have many contact tracing apps elsewhere in the country. In South Carolina, lawmakers outright blocked state agencies from using such apps. In response to the lack of progress, Google and Apple announced plans to unify their technology earlier this month, with Apple integrating it directly into its last iOS update, and Google planning to release a standalone app on Android in the near future. But even the tech giants might struggle to make a difference. In June, an online survey suggested 71% of people in the United States would likely refuse to use a contact tracing app, according to Ars Technica. There's still significant disagreement on the best methods for digital contact tracing, and whether it can even be effective without widespread buy-in. Experts say Bluetooth can provide false positives by connecting 2 devices separated by a wall, for example. Interference also can complicate the accuracy. A study at Oxford University suggested a hypothetical city of 1 million would need 60% of its population to use a contact tracing app to effectively halt the spread of the coronavirus. Citizens' user base in L County was about 3% of the population when the app was announced September 9, according to the County Department of Public Health. Citizens states it has nearly 1 million users in the area now. With an already established citizen user base in the city, we thought bringing SafePass to Los Angeles was an easy way to help residents stay safe, said Citizens CEO Andrew Frame in a statement. The city and county understand the need for residents to have modern tools to fight COVID and have been great advocates for contact tracing in their communities to help slow the spread.